Hello YouTube, it's your boy. Got a special treat for y'all today. I'm gonna get y'all a little look at what I look at, some days. I'm gonna let y'all check it on out and give y'all a little treat today. Voila, this is all for y'all old school heads that love them old classic cars. Made me a little pickup over here. They got some nice rides, man. Some sweet. This right here is this black ride is a Hudson. I had no idea the year or nothing of that. I just know it's beautiful. See that? Sweet, man. That's an MG, whatever that means. Some sweet rides, man. Now this one is a Buick Roadmaster. Look at that. It says from the original, official 500-mile race. Straight beauty, man. Oh, y'all listen to them classic cars. Here you go. A whole warehouse full of them. Straight beautiful, man. Look at that. Now that's gangster. That's sweet. Window roll down. Check it out. Oh, it's a little dark in there. You really can't see it. Man, what is this? A Lagonda? Sweet though. Wow. All y'all classical car lovers out there, here you go, baby. Now, I'm not gonna name the place that I'm at, cause I don't know if they want their name out there like that. See, oh, this is a Thunderbird right here. This Ford, baby. T-Bird. Look at that. These cars. This is a nice size warehouse, and they got all classical cars up in this camp. Huge, man. Look at that. Well, why can I find Christine up in here? Y'all remember Christine? The killer red car? I wonder will she be up in here. Better watch my back. Wow, an Army Jeep. That's crazy, man. Wow. A car called a Triumph. Wow. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's like a Hunter green type of color. This baby right here, all white, chromed out. It's called that's called Supercharged. I don't know if that's the name of the car though. It's called, I got 8.5 on the grill. I'm not into classical cars, but when I came across this customer, I couldn't resist. I said, I'll make a little video. This might actually be somebody's car. Probably was sent to here to get restored or something. Sweet. What's this? Okay, this a Hudson right here. Yeah, this a Hudson. Got the tube turn for you, baby. What you know about that? It's nice, man. Sweet. Wow. Alright. I'm gonna call this video a close. And now I'm gonna take some pictures and for my son so he get a nice look at these. He's all into the cars. So I just figure I'll put YouTube. Let y'all look at it a little bit too. Before I take some pictures. That's sweet. I know it's dark in there, I really can't see, but man, that is tricked out. That's nice, man. This joker is nice. Ain't got the motorcycles for y'all. Look. Sweet. Sweet. Alright, it's your boy signing out. As always, rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. And I'm out. Peace.